Welcome. And follow me is CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key to shut off the device. Select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume down. So power and volume down. Hold both of those keys together. And once you feel the vibration, you can let go. And we're now in recovery mode. So from here, you will use volume keys to navigate. So volume down to go down and up to go up, like so. And as you can see, the touchscreen doesn't actually work here. So, and from here, you can reboot the system, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe the phone, wipe cache, and a couple other things. I'm just gonna simply reboot the phone. And once I have the item that I want selected, all I need to do is press power key, confirm it. Now the device will boot back up to the normal Android system. And we're basically back to the Android. So that is how you boot into the recovery mode and out of it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.